Back massage. Back manicure.
Back nail art. Back hair spa.
Back yoga.
Back makeup.
Gandang hindi mo inaakala.
Sa wakas ay nakilala na ni Maymay ang kanilang unang VIP client.
Oh my God! I love this Enrique! No, it's okay, sir. It's okay, sir. It's okay. Are you the dad of Eduardo?
Guapo, yeah.
But idea, but you're guapo.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
I'm
sir.
sorry, I'm not Enrique, okay?
It's okay. I will be professional.
Okay, now be professional. Okay.
Hi, sir. Good
Hi,
evening.
ma'am.
Here, Paul. You will go there because we will...
Shall I follow?
Yeah.
After you. After you.
Pagpasok nila sa loob ng bahay,
Magandang gabi.
See the baby here.
Kevin, nice to meet you, Paul.
This is my...
Kevin, nice to meet you.
Lost for words. I was tongue-tied.
Yeah. Hi, Marco. Ciao, bello. Ciao. Hi.
I'm Edward, your offspring.
I remember you.
My contact lenses started acting weird and some tears started coming out. No.
Good to see you. Huh? You were expecting Enrique too, no?
Since day 2, I've been wanting to see someone from my family. I got an actual visit from my dad.
Welcome, first of all, to Don't Expect Salon.
Don't expect so long. Better you sit down, okay?
Alright,
What are you going?
so what would you like today?
Can you make me look like Enrique Ho?
No, that's impossible.
That's impossible. Thank you, Edward. I love you.
ilang sandali pa inasikaso na nila ang kanilang espesyal na customer.
Edward, you never did this to me before.
Yeah.
I don't think Edward has ever really massaged me, but I know he does that.
Hey, good luck, my.
I'm a bit ticklish.
Oh, you're like me.
Yeah, I already
Classic.
Alam mo, gusto ko si Enrique Hill. Tapos, pinaasa mo ko sa mga clue mo. Alam kong totoo yung lahat, pero pinaasa mo ko, kuya.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. You can click, sir. What do you want, ano, sir? Aroma. You pick him. Pero enjoy po, kuya. Is it very relaxing, sir?
It's very relaxing, yes.
I like your relax.
Mai was very, very concerned that I should feel comfortable. She continually asked me if it was okay.
Yes.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good.
I'm very sorry. Oh, my God.
Those are the tickling bits.
Yes, it will start years for it, so that it's really important to, you know.
Anong tumakbo sa isip mo habang pinipedicure mo?
English kasi, kuya, kaya hindi tumatakbo. Lumalakad siya, kuya. Ang hina ng utak ko po sa English. This is the very smell bad here.
He enjoyed himself. That's satisfying to see because you could see he was relaxed.
If your customer is unhappy now,
We will ask you if what you need, what you want, sir, to be comfortable.
Okay.
We will give you what you want, sir.
okay.
He talked quite a bit, but that's good.
It's always in business, and you have to find the point where you don't do it all yourself, to delegate.
He was very vocal about he was being treated.
How's the coffee, sir?
Beautiful. All of them were good. All of them were really, really trying hard. And cool place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of room for customers. They were all really putting their heart into it.
You can go to sleep, sir. It's okay. Sleep.
Bye-bye, baby.
That is our mission.
Sweet talk.
Oh, I know that one.
Yes, sir.
It made me feel very welcome, and I think making your customer feel welcome is even more important than the quality of the service you provide.
Do you want to hear all the things that we've done so far? I pretended to be gay. I built a house. After that, I went to prom, by the way. Then we made a 88-year-old woman laugh for 51 minutes. Then I pulled a plane for how long?
So he's learning a lot about himself, which was the idea. He wanted to push his comfort zone. Wow, you learn a lot, don't you? He will have learned so much, and he will have such a wonderful story to tell.
Maya-maya pa,
Okay.
Good.
Are you feel very relaxing there?
I feel very relaxing.
Oh.
Very relaxed.
I think our first customer, check. We did well.
At oras na para umalis ang kanilang unang bisita.
It's something I really needed, and I got to talk to him again. And I really enjoyed every second.
Lovely saying to everybody says hello to you. Okay?
Right, Daddy. Love you.
Love you too.
Thank you for visiting my house again. I hope to see you again.
I hope so. Take care, sir.
Pag-alis ni Daddy Kevin, muling ni-review ni Nico ang housemate sa mga dapat gawin.
Hands pa package, bababad na 5 minutes. Pag nababad, ano kailangan yung salt, sea salt. Nakikinig naman po sila, Kuya, lahat. Kung ano yung ginawa niyo sa payo, hindi gagamitin sa kamay. Natutuwa naman po, Kuya, kasi gusto nila.
Matapos nito, nagpaalam na rin si Nico sa housemate. Kinabukasan, maagang nag-practice ang housemates ng mga gagawin sa salon.
We're doing well naman po, Kuya. Marami na po kaming natutunan. Lahat naman po, alam ko naman pong may gagawin talaga. Sana po magawa namin.
Library,
Po.
gusto ko ring ipaalam sa iyo na mamaya ay magkakaroon ng soft opening ang inyong salon.
Bago magsimula, nagpaalala si Vivory sa mga kasama.
Guys, bear in mind na mag-open daw ng salon natin. Dapat maaliw natin yung customers. Kantahan natin, sayawan, ganyan, kwentuhan. But there's a twist. Hindi pwede magsalita yung customers. Okay. There's an order slip. And may pangalan na kung sino yung assign.
At nagsimula na silang maghanda para sa kanilang soft opening. Hindi nila alam, kausap naman ni Kuya ang daddy ni Kisses na siyang unang customer nila.
Magandang araw, Daddy Gilbert. Welcome muli sa aking bahay.
Salamat po, big brother.
Kamusta kayo?
Okay naman po. Namiss lang namin yung anak namin.
Kaya ko kayo inimbitahan ngayon dahil nasabi niya na gusto niya na ikaw ay mabigyan ng isang relaxing na araw o day off. Ngayong araw na ito, yan naman ang mararanasan ninyo. At siya ang magbibigay nito sa inyo.
Salamat, salamat.
Ngunit, hindi niyo siya maaaring makita. Pero maririnig niyo siya.
Salamat naman, big brother.
Susunod,
Hello po, I'm Kisses. Oh my God, looks like your father. Napakaswerte ko po sa tatay ko. Tsaka namimiss ko na po siya.